Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, you'll learn how to install the AdventureWorks sample database. AdventureWorks is a fictional company that Microsoft uses in its documentation for demonstrations. Link to download the sample database is displayed on the screen. This is the GitHub repository where the AdventureWorks sample databases are stored. So I'm just going to scroll down to see the one I want. So this is AdventureWorks full database backup, and there are different types. The one I want to download is this one called AdventureWorks 2016.bak. .bak basically means it's a backup file. Also, notice in parentheses, we've got OLTP. OLTP basically stands for Online Transaction Processing. So I'm going to click on the link for the AdventureWorks 2016.bak. I'll click on that, and that should download the file. You can see the file being downloaded to my download location. Sometimes Microsoft moves things around just in case when you view this video, if this link or the files are no longer in this location, I'm going to have a copy of this backup I've just downloaded for you to download just in case it's no longer available or the link has been moved. The backup has completed, so I'm going to click on it to show in folder, and that would take me to the location of the backup download. This is the file that was downloaded, and that is the size. In order to install this sample database inside my SQL server, I will have to restore it from this backup here. SQL Server looks for backup files in a specific location. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to relocate this file from the download location into the folder that SQL Server will go to look for a backup file. So I'm going to right click and click on Cut to relocate this file. So let's go to the location where SQL Server looks for backup files. I'm going to open up my C drive, and under my C drive we've got the program files. I'll click on program files and look for a Microsoft SQL folder, which is this one here, and then I'll look for the instance of my SQL Server, which is this one called SQL Server 2019. I'm going to click on that. Inside that, I'll click on this folder that says MS SQL, and inside that there is a backup folder. So I'll click on backup, I'll right click, and I'll paste it there. So I've now relocated the file I downloaded. I have now logged into my SQL server. So in order to install that database file I downloaded, I need to right click on my databases folder. So right click, and there is an option to restore database. So I'm going to click on that. We wait for the window to open. So here we have to specify where we're going to restore the database from. It's going to be from a device. So I click on the device option, and this button here that's got several dots, I'm going to click on this in order to go to the location where the backup file is. Under the backup media type, make sure you have the file selected. If I click on the drop down, there are other options. We've got the URL, so make sure yours is on file, and then click on the add button. When you click on the add button, SQL Server knows where to go to for any backup file. You can see it has automatically gone to the location of the SQL Server. You can see the path here. It says SQL Server 2019, which is the name of my SQL Server instance. So I'm going to select the name of the file that I want to restore from backup. So that's the name of the file. The file name is populated here, and I just need to click on the OK button. So I click OK, and then it tells me the path. This is the full path to where the backup file is. Next, I'll press the OK button, and you can see we've got this option checked to make sure we're going to restore this database from full backup. Next, click on the OK button, and you can see the backup is being restored there. So we'll give it a few minutes to complete, and we should get a message to say that the backup has completed. You can see here the message has popped up saying database AdventureWorks 2016 restored successfully. So I'll click OK. So if we take a look at my databases folder, you can see this database here I've just restored, the AdventureWorks 2016. If I expand that, you would see all the tables that database has. You see, it got lots of tables. So that's it for this video. In this video, I showed you how to install the AdventureWorks 2016 database. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.